Stream is starting.
What up? What is going on, guys? Happy Sunday for you guys. Welcome to the live stream. Appreciate everyone on here. How are you guys doing today? Let's get it started, guys. Is this on? Yeah, this should be good. Let's see here. Yeah. Let me know how the stream, how you guys are doing today. Welcome to the live stream. Hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend. Let me just set this up real quick. Actually, let me not even have that. Let's see this. There we go. That looks a lot better. Just setting this up. Let's get this up here on a thing. There we go. All right, let's get started. What is going on, guys? How's everyone doing today? Welcome to the live stream. Appreciate you guys on here. As we take a look here at the markets on, let's take a look on the daily. Right, this is on the daily so far. Let's get it started. There we go. What's up, guys? How's everyone doing today? How's your weekend going, guys? Good afternoon. What's up? We do recover. Good afternoon, bro. How you doing, bro? Hope everyone's having a great Sunday. And I'm happy I have off tomorrow. But, hi, what's up, Nicole? Hey, brother, blessings. Blessings to you, too. Thank you for coming to the live stream. Whether you're on YouTube, on TikTok, thank you for coming to the live stream. We're gonna talk about crypto. Where I think we are at the markets, what Bitcoin's doing, and what coins I've been buying, right? So, yeah. But all you guys on here, definitely don't forget to like. Every like helps a lot. And of course, if you're new too, don't forget to join the free Telegram, the free Discord, which is my free community. And definitely join. There's no tiers or anything like that. We do recover says, I'm good, man. Excited. Think we're getting close to rallying. Yeah, me too. I think even if we go further down for Bitcoin, and I'll show you guys here in the charts, we're going to start. I mean, I think this is still a very bullish year. Okay, I know it's fearful right now, but you got to understand, Bitcoin is still at the previous all-time highs. We're building strength. We're ranging at the previous all-time highs from 2021. So this is why you guys gotta understand that this is 100% normal. And the reason why altcoins are dumping is because Bitcoin dominance. And this is, for a lot of new people this is your first bull market. If you're all in altcoins, I said this months ago, I said if you're all in altcoins, I would be careful because Bitcoin dominance is just going to dominate, meaning Bitcoin is going to outperform the market, and meanwhile, altcoins are going to dump. So I bought more PNG. That's great. PNG, I heard a lot of good things about. I missed on PNG. I know. I think it might be a good time to buy if you missed out, but I heard a lot of good things about PNG. Matt says, road to 10K. Yes, thank you, Matt. Thank you so much, bro. Thank you for coming on here. Road to 10K. David said, bro's a guru. Rado, what's going on with AVAX? It is dying. What is going on with AVAX? Isn't it still at $25? Crypto Dream, thank you, Crypto Dream. Appreciate all the hearts, bro. Appreciate it. Thank you so much, man. How you been? LCP, I never heard of LCP before. John, what's up, John? How are you doing? Thanks for coming to the live stream. How is your weekend, guys? How's your weekend going? Happy Sunday. We're gonna take a look here at the altcoins. Wow, AVAX is down 7%. So look at that. AVAX, what price is AVAX down? $24. So AVAX is making a new low here. I said this last live stream. AVAX could go as low as $20. I bought some at $25, but I'm still super bullish on AVAX. ENS down 7.9%. WIF down 10%. So a lot of coins down today on Sunday. Baby turned 1 today. Wow, congrats. Congrats to Crypto Dream. This baby has turned 1 year old. Wow, man, that's awesome. That's going to be a great feeling to be a dad. I see Bitcoin going to 60, 61K, then bounce. Yeah, Raydell. You know, and speaking about that, that's a great point about Raydell, right? Because he's saying that he sees Bitcoin going down to 61 to 60K, which, if you look right here, 61, 60K, in my video coming out today for Bitcoin update, is exactly the middle counter bar support. Look at that. Well, on the weekly, that is, right? On the weekly. On the monthly is like 45K, but on the weekly, the middle counter band is around 61, 60K, which, if you can see right here, the middle counter band has been our support for ever since 25K, guys. Look, ever since 25K, just going parabolic, we bounced over here, and then over here at 56K. So we're coming like a train down here to break that middle counter bar this time. If Bitcoin is bullish, then we create a higher low around here. This is what we're looking for. But in my opinion, Bitcoin looks very bearish because we basically put in a lower high, right, from our previous all-time highs. We put in a lower high, and now, you know, from a couple weeks of coming here to the middle counter band, we're coming here again, this time with a lot of pressure to possibly break it. So I think the probability is that most likely we will break it. And again, I'm being bearish short term, but long term, I believe Bitcoin will find a higher low somewhere over here before going up, right? And honestly, my main target is around possibly even 53K, right? We can see Bitcoin go to 53K with a massive, dump. And again, guys, we might not hit that. We might be bullish here for Bitcoin bouncing off of here. I just see the fact of Bitcoin putting in a lower high and then coming down here to retest that counter band after a couple weeks ago, right? I think that's very bearish. And if we do break that, that's your signal that we're coming much lower to possibly 53K. So again, we shall see, right? Because so far Bitcoin has been holding and basically building strength this entire range, this entire support point of control here, which was last all-time high, right? This was the previous all-time high, this range that we're in. So I'm very bullish long term for the rest of this year, for sure. What's up, Sadul? How you doing, bro? Thanks for coming to the live stream. Cup and handle pattern. Eventually, it will jump the creek and climb up the mountain. You think so? On which time frame? I use TradingView and Crypto Bubbles. Those are the ones I use. Oh, you meant ICP. Okay. You meant ICP. I thought you meant another coin, LCP or something. Yeah, we'll take a look at ICP and see how it's doing. Crypto Cuban, what's up, bro? Crypto Dream, thank you so much for the puffy hearts, man. I appreciate it. Thank you so much, bro. But yeah, look, Bitcoin. Wow, Bitcoin has 63K at the moment. So, look, guys, I'm gonna give you the warning right here. If Bitcoin breaks the middle Keltner band, then we're possibly coming down to 53K, at least 53K. Okay, breaking that middle Keltner band, that's your first signal that we're going down to 63K. So, if we are bullish, Bitcoin creates a higher low from the previous low right there to possibly reverse and continue this uptrend that we've been in here for months. But it's gonna take a lot, right? It's gonna take a lot for a Bitcoin reversal. But you know, on the good side, I don't believe that this is the start of the bear market, which a lot of people, you know, are saying. Like, a lot of people think this is actually the start of the bear market now, the new bear market. And I just don't think. I think this is a decent big dip, but it's not going to. We're not entering a bear market anytime soon. So thank you for all the likes, guys. You guys are killing it. Thank you for the hearts. Let's check out what coins you guys want me to check out. Oh yeah, ICP. Yeah, let's check out ICP for Orlando. Let me know if you're still here, Orlando. Can you do ICP? Oh yeah, let's do ICP. A lot of you guys are asking for ICP. For ICP here, which is coming down hard, right? Honestly, ICP, it looks like a great time to buy. Not financial advice. You can see right here on the weekly too, right? On the weekly, you see this is a big point of control for ICP, right? We're basically retesting the previous resistance here from the bear market. So if you're bullish, I think right now is the time to buy ICP if you're bullish on this. But I would be patient still. I would wait at least a week to see it flatten out a little bit, because I believe it's going to flatten out, and then that's when you buy. Right? You don't want to buy right now and risk breaking that major resistance. You want to wait at least a week or so and see it kind of flatten out. Even if you come back up here to $8 or something, you want to see that support hit, right? And we're exactly on it right now. But I believe that ICP will hold this point of control, which we got rejected here hard, right? And now we're coming back down to it as support instead of as resistance. So, and a lot of altcoins are doing something like this. And you know, the ones that survive are going to survive and continue to make higher highs as Bitcoin, when Bitcoin goes up. So it definitely looks good in my opinion. So yeah, I would say it's a buy if you're bullish on a long term. Anytime, Orlando. Let's take a look here. Some other coins you guys got. Comment the coins you guys want me to check out. Again, guys, don't forget to join the free Telegram, the free Discord, all in the link tree. Join. And let's check out here on the daily. We look a lot of coins down here. AVAX, Gala, VeChain. All right, VeChain. Some of you guys want me to take a look at VeChain and see if it's a buy or not. Yeah, I mean, VeChain, we're losing that 0.78, right? We're coming back down here to bear market territory for VeChain, which does not look good. if you believe this coin will recover or will survive, right? I think it's an amazing buy. Anywhere under that or on that 0.78, I think it's an amazing buy because we're basically back here in the same price levels as November of last year and also March of last year, right? Because it had that pump from the bear market territory. Now it's coming back down to retest it as support. So I believe VeChain has everything to possibly hold it and eventually start working its way up, right? Creating a higher low somewhere in this level. So I'm bullish on VeChain. Now here's the thing, if VeChain did not have this nice recovery, right, and it was kind of like still like ranging right here like that, then I would say no. I would say that looks very, very bearish. But it's coming down here to retest it as support. So yeah, I have experience. Can you comment on what are your top 5 coins for this bull run? Yeah, sure. I'll comment my top 5 coins. I'll comment my top 5 coins. One of them is Chainlink for sure. So these are my top 5 coins I'm the most confident in that will survive and create higher highs. It's not in terms of like, oh, how much X's it will do, right? It's not like super low cap coins. This is my top 5 coins that I believe will survive. This is my watch list. But one of them for sure is Chainlink. I think Chainlink is the main oracle for crypto. It has a great utility. I think Chainlink, and it's at great times to buy right now, $13. Chainlink. The other one here is Kaspa. I'm very bullish on Kaspa for so many reasons, but I would definitely highly research Kaspa. Render's another one. Render has a huge utility, and it's doing something similar to what Bitcoin's doing. It does, the chart looks super bullish. Other ones, I would say the Graph, Theta, right, and even Dogecoin, I would say too. Dogecoin as well. So those are just a couple of the coins. AVAX is another one. User 58 says, no, you don't. How do you know I don't have experience? Thank you for the follows. This is our bottom where we are at, and anywhere between 1 to 2 months we should be back. Yeah, I agree, Ethan. I agree. A lot of people are bearish right now, right? A lot of people think we're going lower. I believe in the next 2 months, maximum 3 months, you know, we're gonna start to go back to 72K plus, right? Bitcoin's gonna start moving to the upside. And here, look, here you can see that after every halving, right? After, like last halving, Bitcoin started to move up a couple months after the halving, right? 1, 2, 3 months after the halving, we start to move up very aggressively. And then the halving after that, what happens? We have a dump after the halving, and then we start to move up aggressively. So I believe we're going to do something very similar where, you know, we might go a little lower or so, flatten out a little bit, and then start to move aggressively months later. So I think 2024 is going to continue to be a very bullish year for crypto, for sure. And you know, Bitcoin coming down right now, altcoins dumping, it's honestly, it's nothing. It's nothing to be scared of. It's something to be scared of if you bought the top back in March, right? If you bought the top for a lot of these altcoins back in March and you're down 50%, you know, you should have been buying during the bear market like I was, like many people was right here. So, you know, I bought Dogecoin at 6 cents, and Dogecoin going down to 22 cents, coming back down to 12 cents, it doesn't affect me because I bought it here at 6 cents, you know. So The last halving was in 2020, which was right here. So this was last halving. Right before the halving, we had that black swan happen right in 2020, which you remember. Then we had a V-shaped recovery. But guess what happened after the halving? We were kind of flat, similar to how we are right now. And then we slowly started to move up to the upside. You can see right there. So we're doing something similar this time as well. You don't see Bitcoin going in 160K, 88 to 120K. Yeah, I mean, it's very well possible, right? If we have a dodgy bull market, we might see Bitcoin just top out at 120K. Cardano the same. User 58, this is literally my opinion. And probably a bad one to zero. Hey, user 58, you know, maybe instead of wasting your energy coming here on my live stream and hating on me, maybe you should have used that energy to do something valuable, right, with your life. Maybe you should start your own live stream, your own TikTok, right, or do something out there instead of coming on here and hating on me on my live stream, right? Just a thought. What's up, Crypto Dream? Thanks for coming over on YouTube too, bro. Appreciate it. Crypto Dream with the double support. Do you spot hold or leverage trade? I do a little bit of leverage trading, but I do mostly spot, especially the last couple, of years. I've been doing spot because crypto is super volatile itself. So it's just better to just buy and hold. But let's say you have a small portfolio amount, maybe you got, $500 that you want to play with, that you want to leverage trade with. I think there's nothing wrong with that. It's just that there's people out there that leverage trade with 50% of their portfolio plus. I think that's super risky. So be careful. I would only get into leverage trading once you're good with spot trading. And on top of that, you should use only a small percentage of your portfolio. What's up, Taylor? A lot of you guys are asking for Dogecoin. You guys want me to check out Dogecoin? Do you guys want me to check out Dogecoin? Seems like a lot of you guys are asking for it. Yeah, risk management, 90%. Yeah. And I would say, too, if you get into leverage trading, try to use 3%, right? 3x, 5x maximum. And it's all about leveling up, right? First, you get good at spot trading. You're profitable. Good. Leverage trade, 2x, 3x. You're profitable. Good. Go to 5x. You know what I'm saying? So that's what it's all about. And have a stop loss, right? That's why a lot of people call me stop loss. You can see right here, SL, stop loss. I've been in crypto for 4 years and did okay last bull run, and I've been leverage trading last 2 years. That's great. So the first 2 years, you weren't leverage trading. You were gaining experience. And now, after 2 years, you're leverage trading. So that's the path you want to take. Exactly what Ethan's been doing. Because a lot of people get into leverage trading right away and they get wrecked. And then they hate crypto forever. And, crypto is so volatile itself. You just, in the beginning, you want to buy and hold. So, Brother D says Dogecoin can go to $7. Wow. If Dogecoin goes to $7, I might retire, guys. Honestly. So I can just trade along with you. Not necessarily. This is not a stream where you follow my trades, or I don't even trade in the stream. I just share my opinion on the markets, and what's going on with the markets. So, when will Dogecoin go up? Yeah, let's take a look at Dogecoin. A lot of you guys asking for Dogecoin. Look, Dogecoin is holding up pretty well, in my opinion. This is Dogecoin right here, and look, guys, when you zoom out, Dogecoin is doing the same thing. For a lot of you guys that are fearful, look, Dogecoin is doing the same thing that it did last pre-bull market. This was last pre-bull market when no one knew about Dogecoin. Literally, the only people that knew about Dogecoin were people that were deep into crypto. Okay, then what happened? Dogecoin exploded over a penny. And this was when Elon Musk went on SNL, right? That was the top. But you got to understand, during this moment, no one knew about Dogecoin. And it's doing the same exact structure that it did right here over here. This is why I'm super bullish on Dogecoin long term. When you look at this, I mean, this is so similar, okay? This is exactly copy and paste. This is like if I were to copy and paste and put it over here. So, and look, I would even argue that we look even more bullish this time than last time, because here at least we can see Dogecoin have this nice recovery here from the bear market relatively much faster than right here, right, and higher. So what's most likely going to happen next for Dogecoin is we're coming down, which we already are, to possibly create a higher low somewhere over here and then go up and create higher highs, right? Go up vertical just like we did right here. Who's ready to go up vertical, guys? Who is ready to see your favorite altcoin go up vertical like this, right? Well, I believe it's going to be very soon. And you just got to make sure that your altcoin will do that, right? Because look, if you're in an altcoin that is still in bear market territory, just like not showing any life, in my opinion, that's a big red flag. But compared to like Dogecoin has shown life, as well as Shiba Inu, as well as other altcoins, Dogecoin has shown life. And the next step is we're coming down to basically flip that resistance. So I'm bullish on Dogecoin, okay? Lewis, I got some sauce for you, bro. Use CoinNack for your charting. Good luck right now. CoinNank. Wow, never heard of them. I'll check them out. Thank you for the sauce, bro. I never heard of that platform, but I'll check it out for sure, bro. I'll search it up right here. And what about Bonk? You want me to check out Bonk? Nice pattern on the weekly. And also, like, before we check out Bonk, let's pull a Fibonacci here on the Dogecoin. We can see that, right, Dogecoin resisting that 0.5. Even here on the weekly, Dogecoin resisting that 0.5. And now we're here, finally under that golden pocket. So lowest I see Dogecoin coming down here is around 10 cents, which would be a great deal in my opinion. Even right now is a great deal. Any price under the golden pocket is a great deal, and I believe 10 cents is lowest we go here for Dogecoin. Right, we might wick down to like 9 cents for like 3 seconds and come back up, but I believe 10 cents is probably the bottom if we continue to dump here. Either way, 12 cents is a great deal. But the main thing is, like, when you look at this chart, guys, what Dogecoin is going to do, it's going to create a higher low somewhere over here. It could be 12 cents, it could be 10 cents, it could be 9 cents. It's going to create a higher low from the previous higher lows. That's my opinion. That's my honest opinion, and not financial advice. So there you go. But yeah, let's check out some more coins. That was Dogecoin. Let's check out some more coins. No way, bro, it's charting Dogecoin. What's wrong with Dogecoin? I don't know what's wrong with Dogecoin. Dogecoin looks very bullish compared to a lot of altcoins out there, in my opinion. Because a lot of altcoins are still like something like this. Dogecoin at least had that big pump here from the bear market territory. So, you know, Dogecoin does not look bad here on the chart compared to like Algorand or other altcoins out there. Check out some coins. Thank you for the follows, guys. You guys are killing it today. 5,000 likes. So if I see a coin consolidating, do you advise to buy at support within that? Yes. Yes. And look, I'm not a financial advisor, but this is what I'm doing, right? If you see a coin consolidating or flattening out, whatever you want to call it, then that's the time to buy. For example, Dogecoin, you know, once you start to see it kind of, you know, flatten out here a little bit, you want to buy it right there before it has that big pullback to the upside. And that's not just with Dogecoin, that's with every coin that you're bullish on and has a decent bullish structure. So Yeah, I've been buying right now. I've been buying a lot of coins the last 3 days. I'll share some of the coins I've been buying. For example, a coin that I've been buying is GRT. When you look at this chart, I'm very bullish on GRT. By the way, guys, I don't buy coins just based on fundamentals. I buy it based on the chart structure too. Okay? So there's a famous saying, show me the chart and I'll tell you the fundamentals. I believe in that very well, because you look at the chart, you can tell if a coin is bullish fundamentally or not just by looking at the chart. And this is a great structure, right, for GRT, the graph. I missed out on it when it came up here to literally 50 cents. Well, I was smart. I waited, and we're coming down. We're exactly in the golden pocket at 19 cents. I actually bought at 19 cents. Could we dumped lower? Sure, but I believe that somewhere around here, GRT creates the higher low and continues to this amazing uptrend. So this is a coin that I bought, GRT, and there's some other coins that I bought too. So yeah. Sharky says, "Are we in a bear?" No, I don't believe we're in a bear market. For a lot of you guys that are new to crypto, and maybe this is your first bull run, you got to understand that Bitcoin, which you're looking at right now, okay, before every pre-bull market, what it does is it outperforms altcoins. That means Bitcoin dominance goes up by outperforming all their altcoins. And it does this in two ways. The first way is Bitcoin just goes up while altcoins slightly go up. And then the other way is Bitcoin, you know, holds up well, right? Stays flat, holds up well while altcoins dump. Either way, Bitcoin dominance is going up because Bitcoin is outperforming all the altcoins. You see what I'm saying? So this happens every pre-bull market. And then once we get here, you know, near the peak of the bull market, that's when altcoins start to outperform Bitcoin for a short amount of time. And that short window where altcoins are outperforming Bitcoin, that's when you want to sell. Okay? So no, there's no altcoins within Bitcoin. It's just the relation with Bitcoin and other altcoins. That's what I mean. Mr. Cuz says 73K was the top. I mean, you could say it's a local top, but I want to say it's the top. You know, I don't think that this is the start of the bear market. How high do I think Bitcoin will go? I believe for this cycle, 169K, 172K, around there. So, yeah. What's up, Ivan? What's up, Vic? How you guys doing on YouTube? Appreciate all of you guys on here. You guys are killing it. Thank you for the likes. Where it says, oh, I was thinking Bitcoin was an index. No, it's not an index of all coins. Bitcoin is just itself, right? It's a coin itself. And all other altcoins are individuals. AVAX, Ondo, and others dropping this morning. Yeah, we can see right here a lot of altcoins. This is on the daily. A lot of altcoins dropping. AVAX down 6%. I bought AVAX at $25. If it comes down to $22, $20, I'm gonna buy even more. But I bought at 25 bucks. Currently at the moment it's like 24. So we have Gala dumping 5% too. How much is Ondo down? It's down 3%. So Ondo's down 3%. IMX is down. So this is a great opportunity. If you guys missed out on all these big coins here in the last months, it's a great opportunity for sure. 73K was the bull market top. Are you up or down on alts now? How was 73K the bull market top? When, you know, you look at this, right, and you see every halving, after every halving, we have a pullback. That's normal. That's what we're doing right now. We just had the halving. I mean, we literally pulled back into the halving, And now we're having another pullback. I mean, we just had the Bitcoin halving right there, right over here, right? What happens months later? Even right here. I would say, look, we're following exactly right here, 2016 Bitcoin halving. What happens the next month, the next 2 months after the halving? Huge pullback. But then what happens later? Months later, Bitcoin starts to go up. I believe we're doing the same thing. I don't believe that this is the bull market top. Well, what it's doing is Bitcoin is coming down with, and here's the thing, right? People think this is the top because all coins are dumping 50%. Guys, this is 100% normal. All coins dumped 50-70% right here. Okay, before Bitcoin went parabolic, all coins during this time frame, all coins dumped like crazy before Bitcoin went parabolic. I don't think people understand that. Binance, BNB, all these altcoins, they dumped 70% during this time frame here after the recovery. Because like we had a recovery during this time, altcoins dumped. Meanwhile, Bitcoin was outperforming the altcoins, staying stable for the most part. And then what happened later? Bitcoin went up first. It did the first move, and then altcoins followed. We're doing the same structure right now. This is why I said months ago, I said if you're in altcoins, I would be careful because Bitcoin dominance is going to happen before altcoins happen. So it's completely normal for altcoins to go down 50% plus. And yeah, that's why, you know, we can definitely be 60 days away from going up, right? It's, if you look here from history, after every halving, it's usually, you know, a couple months, right? 3, 4, 5 months before we start to go parabolic compared to, you know, the previous halvings. So I don't think this halving is any different, especially this time we got the ETFs. We have the Ethereum ETF coming out next month. We have, you know, these big players buying up Bitcoin. And here's the thing, look, you gotta understand, guys, smart money, they're buying up real assets. Bitcoin is a real asset. They're not stupid. And the dollar is just the dollar is like the Titanic. They're exiting out of the dollar. This is why we printed over 40% of the dollar the last 4 years. We printed over 40% the supply of the dollar over the last 4 years. They did this, they planned all this because they want to devalue the currency while people out there think it's smart to save and it's smart to, you know, save the dollar, the cash is king. They printed over 40% of your currency. And I predict for the next coming years, and look, it could take a while. For the next coming years, the dollar is just going to slowly decline. The same thing that it did from the 70s till now. Ask anyone, if you saved over 200K worth of dollars from the 80s and you didn't buy a house, compare that to buying a house in the 80s. So let's compare two people. Someone saved $300K dollars from the 80s, and then someone spent that $300K in real estate or stocks. Compare that to someone that saved it. It's not even comparable, right? Because the real estate that they bought, it's over probably $1 million from that $300K they invested. So what's happening is the same thing. It's just, in my opinion, I predict it's going to be at a faster rate from like the 80s. The dollar is going to devalue at a faster rate. And the smart thing to do right now, guys, is to invest. It doesn't even have to be in crypto. It doesn't have to be Bitcoin. It could be real estate. It could be investing in real assets, gold. My opinion, the best one is cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. But you want to use the dollar as a transitional currency. Long term, you do not want to be holding dollars. You do not. Well, let's check out some more coins. What coins you guys got for us? Comment below. Go check them out. I'm new. I'm new. What will I do? You pull out cash. A high level is stable coins. White dollar goes down. No worries, Ivan. Wait, I didn't get that. What do you mean by that? Thank you for the follow, Gritch. Thank you so much for the follows. For all you guys that are new, I really appreciate the follows. My TikTok is 100% crypto. I stream every other day. I post a video every day. And on top of all that, my community is 100% free. No paid anything. My Telegram is free and my Discord is free. It's all in the link tree. And shout out to everyone who's in the Telegram. We got over 400 people. And in the Discord, we got over 120. So thank you guys so much. So let's see some coins you guys want me to check out. Jasmi. Some of you guys want me to check out Jasmi real quick. I'll give you a quick update here on Jasmi. So Jasmi, right before this dump, Jasmi was doing amazing, right? And it still is. I mean, it's holding up pretty well. And to be honest, if it wasn't for this dump, Jasmi could have been, you know, up here to possibly 5-6 cents. But the dump cut its cut it up short, right? So I believe Jasmi is looking bullish here. The structure is bullish. If Jasmi was still like down here, I would say it's bearish, but it's not. We broke some key levels here, like this one, and now we possibly could come down here to test that support and basically create a higher low. So if you see Jasmi here at exactly 2 cents, I think that's probably the last opportunity to buy Jasmi at the lowest at 2 cents if we dump down that hard. So I think Jasmi looks very healthy if I were to describe its chart. So yeah, but anytime it's him, anytime. Solana, a lot of you guys like Solana, including myself. I'm a big fan of Solana. Well, not as much as other coins, but I do like Solana compared to most coins, especially when you look at this chart. It has one of the most strongest charts along with Ethereum, and I would not be surprised if Solana breaks the all-time high before Ethereum does. Now, for Solana here, guys, this is a big support for Solana. That 0.23 right there, we actually already came down here and bounced off of it, which is 115. You see that? Now we're coming down here again. If we break this, Solana has a big possibility, a possible chance of coming down here to around 75, 77, okay, or $80. So just remember that if Solana breaks 115, then we're probably gonna come down here to, you know, maximum $70, but in between $80 to $70, and that will probably be the higher low the Solana puts in here before continuing the upside, the uptrend. So in my opinion, I think Solana, you know, is a buy right under 130. And you got to remember, Solana has one of the most bullish charts. It might not come down here to $80. I think it would take a lot for Solana to come down here to $80 or so, meaning I would have to see Bitcoin go down to like 53K, around there, break that 60K to see Solana at these levels. So just my opinion, but again, it's very well possible Bitcoin breaks 60K. So I'm trying to accumulate as much Bitcoin. I really believe it will hit 1 million per coin. Yes, Ivan. And that's the thing, guys. In my opinion, Bitcoin is probably the most conservative, easiest way to $1 million. And the reason why I say this, especially to you, Ivan, is because I believe that Bitcoin in the 2030s, right, next decade, I believe it's going to be $1 million. Like, if there's one thing I could bet, I believe Bitcoin will be worth $1 million per coin next decade. And when you compare that, that is probably the fastest way to be a millionaire, conservatively, right? Compared to investing in gold or even real estate or, you know, other investments. So this is why, if you guys are deep into altcoins, make it your goal to have at least one Bitcoin, right? Have at least one Bitcoin in your portfolio, so that can be your safe. That could be your safe investment right there towards $1 million. And the biggest reason, obviously, just look at Bitcoin, right? Michael Saylor said that 99% Bitcoin is going to be mined in like 2030 something, 2034 or 2033. 99%. That's insane. So, you know, I believe right now is the gold rush for Bitcoin. It started with BlackRock buying, with all these big players buying Bitcoin. What you're gonna see is hyper Bitcoinization, where exchanges are gonna be have a really low amount of Bitcoin, because people that are smart, people that are smart will buy Bitcoin and move it to their cold storage wallet. But in terms of Bitcoin, like, if I were to compare investing in like the SPY or like, you know, the stock market, the SPY versus Bitcoin, I would do Bitcoin. So you know how people buy $100 worth of the SPY, or like, you know, these other mutual exchanges, or like the NASDAQ or the SPY. Instead of that, I would 100% rather do that in Bitcoin, because I believe the Bitcoin will outperform the SPY, and it's already has been for many years. And that's why I'm super bullish on Bitcoin. But guys, thank you guys so much. I'll be live again to this weekend, well, later tonight or even tomorrow for sure. But if you guys haven't yet, join the free Telegram and Discord. I have to go now because I have to pick up my wife. But I love you guys so much. I have a really big Bitcoin update coming out tonight. Okay, so check it out on TikTok. Oh, and I just uploaded a video on YouTube. Check out my latest video, guys, on Caspa. If you missed out on Solana, if you missed out on Base, okay, I believe Caspa is the next opportunity, guys. Watch this video, how to mint meme coins on Caspa. Caspa KRC20s are coming out this month. And this is huge because this is a new ecosystem coming out that's going to have many new coins on it. KRC20s, meme coins, utility coins. So watch this video on how to mint Caspa, and I'll keep you guys updated on that, because I believe this is the biggest opportunity since Solana. So if you missed out on Solana meme coins, if you missed out on Base meme coins, Caspa meme coins, I believe, are going to be huge, and it's something to definitely worth your time to look into. So check it out. It's my YouTube right here. I got over 34K subscribers. Just search Sir Lewis on YouTube. You'll find me. And yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Love you guys so much, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Follow me on Telegram for the latest updates and everything. And love you guys so much. Peace. I love you guys so much here on YouTube as well. You guys killed it this stream. I'll be live again later, guys.